Today I'm talking about the all-new 2023 Mitsubishi ASX, which is a rebadged Renault Captur. In terms of exterior, it looks like a Renault Captur, and in terms of interior, it's premium and sporty. And it's powered by a 1-liter 3-cylinder producing 90 horsepower, or a 1.3-liter mild hybrid with 138 horsepower up to 156. Then there is a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder hybrid with 141 horsepower, or a 1.6-liter plug-in hybrid with 160 horsepower. Power is delivered through a 6-speed manual gearbox or a 7-speed TCT. And front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive should be available once this production reaches production next year. And of course, it comes with features like 4.2 inch to 10.25 inch digital instrument display, 7 to 9.3 inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ambient lighting, and many more standard features. And it also has top-notch safety features as well. Compared with arch rivals like the Toyota YARIS Cross, the VW TCROSS, the Seat ARONA, the Skoda Kamiya, and I can go on, this is better than them. Wonderful job by Mitsubishi. Only beaten by the actual product that is supposed to be without the badge, which is by the Renault itself. So wonderful job by Mitsubishi indeed. So well done. And I understand why this product is being a rebadge in the European market. I see the reason why. And plus, this is the replacement for the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, even though this might not be sold in the United States. Just so something you should know. So on this notion, I'm going to end this video. Thank you very much.